We gonna rise till we fall. They say we got no future at all. They wanna keep us out, can't hold us down anymore. We gonna rise till we fall. When we hit the bottom, nothing gon' stop us. Climb to the top with you. We could be the greatest ones who never made it. Yeah, I could be talking to you. They gonna hate, but it won't change anything at all. Oh, we gonna rise till we fall. They think we just dropped us, living at a mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all. No, they don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah, no, we don't give up anymore. We're gonna ride. There's gotta be another way out. I've been stuck in a cage with my doubt. I've tried forever getting out on my own. Every time I do this my way, I get caught in the lies of the enemy. I lay my troubles down, I'm ready for you now. Bring me out, come and find me in the dark now. Every day by myself I'm breaking down. I don't wanna fight alone anymore. Bring me out, from the prison of my own pride. My God, I need a hope I can't deny. In the end I'm realizing I was never meant to fight on my own. Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. Look, I didn't power through the struggle just to let a little trouble knock me out of my position and interrupt the vision. After everything I witnessed, after all of these decisions, all these miles, feet, inches, they can't add up to the distance that I have been through just to get to a place where even if there's no closure, I'm still safe. I still ache from trying to keep pace. Somebody give me a sign, I'm starting to all my dreams and the nightmares. How did I lose it when I was right there? Now I'm so far that it feels like it's all gone to pieces. Tell me why the world never fights fair. I'm trying to find a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. It's been a long time coming. Someone take me home.
Hey yo, Sean, you Mr. Kingston.
I'm feeling like you let it go. I'm feeling like you let it go. I'm feeling like you let it go. Don't be scared, girl, call on me. Cause me, I watch you from my eyes. I'm in love you see. And the way you are wine and the way you are going. They say the man, I'ma try to rush you like the brain and stop. Yo, but baby girl, will you be mine? Let go, show your skin because you're one of a kind. Me not gonna lie. Girl, I must be in love. Cause the way you are wine, you have my car top. Girl.
That guys, we're here. Get off my bus and follow me. Something tells me this isn't your field.
Silent, I can wait here silent, working up a storm inside my head. Nothing, I just stood for nothing, so I fell for everything you said. Hear the rumble, hear my voice. Silent, I can wait here silent, gotta make a change and make some noise. Undo myself, undo what hurt so bad, undo my pain, gonna get out through the rain. I know that I am over you, at last I know what I should do, undo myself.
Yell mad and attack us with the ruler. Will you do that out here, or, We're not in the schoolhouse anymore. Instead, I'm with...
When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. And only